I grew up like as a cyclist to see only the Grand Tour. Because this is a big race or a big moment for Eritrea. Since we big Giro, we start immediately the first day or second, and also to give you big self-confidence because you knew we can do more better, and we're just waiting to win one stage. This is really last year was super amazing.
Grimay to the line, Grimay still has it for the moment, has to keep it going, and Vini, Bini, more history is made. Eritrea is the winner of the Grand Tour stage.
2022 was a landmark year for Binyam Grimay. The Eritrean made history as the first black cyclist to win a Grand Tour stage.
Unbelievable day, you know. I just look and I don't see, because it's when you see the finish line, you're just thinking your dream, you know. I need to win a stage in Grand Tour, and yeah, I'm just thinking to cross the finish line and to just celebrate. The team control from the beginning until the end, and that's also I enjoy more, you know, because you feel how the team spirit can give you more confidence for the victory.
Binyam Grimay has been the he's been up there. Binyam Grimay has been the revelation of the spring. And behind, Søren Kragh Andersen chases on. The peloton is still away behind as well, but it's Laporte for Jumbo-Visma. Second wheel is Van Hestel for Total Energy. Sturme is third there for Trek Segafredo, and then Grimay for Intermarché. Who's going to be the fastest? It's a 4-up sprint, and here we go. It's Grimay to launch it from a long way. Grimay does launch the sprint. Right side, 250 for go when he hit the front, and Binyam Grimay's there in the front. Binyam Grimay is staying. Can they come off his wheel? It doesn't look like it. Grimay's going to the line. Grimay's going to the line. Binyam.
It's when you see the finish line, you're just thinking your dream, you know. I need to win a stage in Grand Tour, and yeah, I'm just thinking to cross the finish line and to just celebrate. The team control from the beginning until the end, and that's also I enjoy more, you know, because you feel how the team spirit can give you more confidence for the victory.
Don't tell me he's going to do it on the line! Grimay just gets it!
Wow.
Eritrea have a massive classic start.
Or to lose. Since we begin the year, I'm super happy with the team.
And I'm still surprised.
First thing is because they give me a really huge opportunity to make the race for me and support me, everybody. Also the riders, they are super happy to help me, and that's give you a big morale, you know, as a cyclist, because the team believe in you and give you opportunity.
The Intermarché